Using the burst feature on the iPhone camera will quickly snap photos for however long the burst shot is enabled. This can be a great option when trying to capture an action shot, or just to get that elusive moment when everyone is smiling with their eyes open in a group photo. To shoot a burst, swipe on the shutter button in the direction of the photo review button here, which will display a small icon of the last photo or video that was taken. Do that, and the iPhone begins taking photos at a rapid rate until the shutter button is released. Tap to review the photos, and they are saved all together. Notice the burst icon here, which displays how many images were shot in the burst. Tap here to review all the images taken during this burst. In this example, I'll shoot a burst of my dog running towards the camera. Swipe down on the shutter and hold to shoot the burst. Release to stop shooting. Here that is again without the video being slowed down. Now, I can review the images. Tap to select those that you want to keep. If I only keep these two favorites, the rest of the shots in the burst will be deleted. The two I saved will then be displayed normally in the camera roll. Notice that the burst shots are shot at 12 megapixels and saved as JPEG files. And they are shot at very fast shutter speeds. In camera settings, we can set the up volume button to be used as a burst shutter. Now, when photo mode is selected in the camera app, press and hold the volume up button to shoot a burst. Swiping on the shutter will still work as well.